This is Early Morning Rain by Gordon Lightfoot. Special for Brother Jay. See you in a few weeks, brother. In the early morning rain, with $1 in my hand, with an aching in my heart, and my pockets full of sand. I'm a long way from home, and I miss my darling so. In the early morning rain, with no place to go, out on runway number 9, 707 said to go. Well, I'm stuck here on the grass, where the pavement never goes. Well, the liquor tasted good, and the women all were fast. Well, there she goes, my friend. She's a-rolling now at last. Hear the mighty engines roar, see the silver bird on high. She's away and westward bound, high above the clouds she'll fly, where the morning rain don't fall, and the sun always shines. She'll be flying o'er my home in about 3 hours' time. This old airport's got me down. It's no earthly good to me, 'cause I'm stuck here on the ground, cold and drunk as I might be. You can't jump a jet plane like you can a freight train. So I'd best be on my way in the early morning rain. So I'd best be on my way in the early morning rain.
We love you, Jay.